The age of cable boxes.
Just a few decades ago, cable boxes were the standard for watching television. These bulky devices sat under TVs, wired directly to coaxial cables, and offered access to a set number of channels. Changing channels or recording shows required special remote controls or even additional equipment, and customization was limited. For years, the cable box defined how people accessed home entertainment.
The shift begins, the rise of streaming.
High-speed internet changed the game. As online streaming became more reliable and popular, services like Netflix and Hulu began offering content on demand. Viewers no longer had to follow strict broadcast schedules. This new way of accessing shows and movies started the move away from traditional cable services and their accompanying hardware.
What are streaming sticks and devices?
Streaming devices, such as smart sticks and boxes, plug directly into a TV's HDMI port. Brands like Roku, Amazon Fire Stick, and Google Chromecast make it easy to access multiple streaming apps without bulky equipment. With compact designs and simple interfaces, these devices turn almost any TV into a smart TV, offering versatility and convenience.
Key advantages over cable boxes.
Streaming sticks offer several advantages over traditional cable boxes. They are affordable, portable, and easy to set up. Users can customize their viewing experience by choosing from thousands of apps and channels, often without long-term contracts. Software updates deliver new features, and remote controls are simplified, making navigation intuitive for audiences of all ages.
Home entertainment today and beyond.
A day's home entertainment centers on streaming. Many households have cut the cord, relying entirely on internet-based content instead of cable. This shift has made home entertainment more flexible, allowing viewers to watch what they want, when they want. Streaming devices continue to evolve, promising even more innovation in the future of how we enjoy television and movies.